Murata started with the Wonder Stones. Hundreds, if not thousands, of Murata's electronic components are connected to contribute to the advancement of electronic devices. For example, connectivity modules and sensors that sense the surrounding environment make our daily lives more convenient by being an important building block in solutions that support communities and society. As a global company, Murata makes tireless efforts with many colleagues to deliver exceptional products and services.
Toonaangevende innovatie in de elektronica-industrie met onze innovatieve producten en oplossingen.
从材料设备到产品一条龙生产，匠心制造。
Kami sedang berusaha untuk menyelesaikan isu sosial dengan menyediakan bukan sahaja bahagian tetapi juga penyelesaian.
社での実践を通じて従業員一人一人がやりがいを感じ成長し続けています。
Our goal is to contribute to the advancement of society by supporting happy, healthy lifestyles for people worldwide.
The history of Murata dates to 1944. Murata manufacturing was started in the Nakagyo ward of Kyoto. An encounter with the Wonder Stones and the will of the founder became the backbone of the Murata of today to create a convenient society. Murata's very first product was a titanium oxide ceramic capacitor. Murata formulated Murata philosophy and kept on generating innovative products. After the first product was exported in 1959, we established overseas entities. We then acquired third-party technologies and strengthened production system, taking the first step towards becoming a full-scale global company. With the arrival of the internet era, we remain flexible to the increasing diversification of devices. Murata is currently focused on 4 markets as business opportunities. In the communications market, we see business opportunities and services that utilize data convened from various network-connected objects and the convergence of the virtual and real world. Murata is proud to contribute to the evolution of these systems and help build an infrastructure to support society. With the adoption of 5G, the environment is primed for all types of things to be connected to the internet. Accordingly, our everyday devices, such as smartphones and smartwatches, are also becoming more sophisticated. For example, Murata's capacitors help with the downsizing and performance of devices. Building on that, we offer a wide variety of components, such as multi-layer LCP product, a thin and bendable circuit substrate that can fit in the space between devices, and connectivity modules that are vital for internet connections.
最先端の技術で小型、高機能、高品質な電子部品を提供し続けます。
助力社会基建，致力万物互联。
さらなる付加価値を生み出し、5G、6G の発展に貢献します。
In the mobility market, autonomous driving has increased demand for safety solutions and ushered in the arrival of a mobility society. Because there are various mobility methods, services are not limited to automobiles and would lead to business opportunities. Murata wants to contribute to the realization of a reliable, safe, and comfortable transportation society.
The concept of mobility continues to expand while simultaneously creating changes in urban areas. For example, Murata offers an ultrasonic sensor and a film capacitor. Another product, a MEMS inertial sensor, can exhibit high-level performance under harsh environmental conditions.
Haluan edistää uusien kuljetustapojen syntymistä yhdistämällä kulkuneuvoja ja yhteiskuntaa viestintäteknologian avulla.
安心、安全、快適な交通社会を実現するため、信頼性の高い製品を開発していきます。
村田の技術で世の中があっと驚く未来を実現したいです。
In the environment market, Murata views the creation of innovation that leads to solving various environmental problems as a business opportunity. Through strategic business activities, we will address climate change and energy shortages to realize a more sustainable society. As interest in the SDGs heightens, society demands that companies protect the environment and create environmentally conscious products. Murata develops and manufactures a wide variety of storage battery systems and control software. We also leverage proprietary technology, including capacitors, sensors, and networks, to add value to energy management for energy conservation and saving electricity.
村田のものづくりでさまざまな社会課題を解決し、持続可能な社会を実現します。
グローバル企業として国内だけではなく海外でも地球環境問題に取り組んでいきます。
हम आने वाले पीढ़ी के लिए सस्टेनेबल प्रोडक्ट्स और सॉल्यूशंस प्रदान करते हैं।
In the wellness market, Murata views health comprehensively and recognizes it as a business opportunity that includes not just diagnosis and treatment, but also disease prevention and the pursuit of mental and social well-being. We will help build a society where everyone can live a healthy and prosperous life. Murata's compact and high-quality components support the accelerating digitalization in the medical and healthcare fields. In addition, in order to extend healthy life expectancy and realize energetic lifestyles, Murata will work on solving issues by combining our technologies and ideas.
हम एक ऐसी दुनिया बनाने का लक्ष्य रखते हैं जहां दुनिया भर के लोग हमारे प्रोडक्ट और सॉल्यूशन के माध्यम से अच्छी सेहत और खुशियों के साथ रह सकें।
村田のものづくりを通して培ってきた知見・技術でウェルネス領域にもチャレンジしていきます。
人生100年時代を見据えて体や心の健康、そして人と良好なつながりが持てる豊かな社会を実現したいです。
そこに村田があることがその地域の喜びであり誇りであるようにという創業者の理念のもと、地域の皆様とのコミュニケーションを大切にしています。
For example, using Murata's monozukuri and technology, we support the development of the next generation that will lead our future through STEAM education such as science classes and electronic workshops. We will continue our endeavors to contribute to cultural and regional development.
村田は事業活動で使用する電力を2050年までに 100% 再生可能エネルギーにすることを目指しています。
At multiple offices, such as Kanazu Murata Manufacturing Clean Energy Park, the roofs of buildings and spaces and parking lots have been maximized by having large solar panels installed. We use storage battery systems developed in-house to promote the use of renewable energy and improve energy management efficiency. We also contribute to the use of sustainable resources with the goal of environmentally conscious manufacturing.
Technological innovations in electronics occur once every 10 to 20 years. Perhaps many decisions will be made in the metaverse, or maybe flying cars will be a part of the daily landscape. Amid such technological innovations, Murata's objective is to become the best choice for customers and society because of our innovation legacy. While it is important to generate profit, Murata will simultaneously strive to enhance our presence and contribution to society by tackling problems such as environment and human rights problems.
Innovator in electronics.
Innovator in electronics. Innovator in electronics.